everybody! Welcome to Fun Kids Yoga with me, Lynn. Today I have a fun yoga story for you inspired by the book Cat the Cat by Mo Willems. I'll tell you the story and you copy what I do. Come on, let's go meet Cat the Cat. Everybody stand up. And first, let's get all the wiggles out. Wiggle your hands, wiggle your feet, wiggle your legs and your arms and your head. Did you get all the wiggles out? No? Okay, more wiggles. All right, good job. Everybody sit down on your feet. And let's meet Cat the Cat. Cat the Cat is a cat with pointy ears and long whiskers and a fluffy tail that swished when he walked. It swished this way and that way and this way and that way and this way and that way. Today is Cat the Cat's birthday, and he wants to eat birthday cake for breakfast. He lights the candles on the cake, chuk, 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 and then takes a deep breath in all the way up to his ears and blows as hard as he can. But the candles don't go out. He takes another deep breath in up to his ears and blows out. But the candles still don't go out. He takes another breath in up to his ears and blows. This time the candles go out. But Cat the Cat is sad. He doesn't want to eat birthday cake all alone. So he goes for a walk to look for his friends. This is how Cat the Cat walks. Can you walk like Cat the Cat? Cat the Cat comes upon a big tree. He stops. He looks around for any of his friends. He looks up. He looks down. He looks this way and he looks that way. He stretches his paws high up on the tree and looks up and sees somebody. The tree says, "Cat the Cat, who is that?" And the animal up in the tree opens its wings and stretches them long over its head and flaps its wings down and says, "Chirp." Do you know what kind of animal this is? Yes, it's Bird the Bird. Hi, Bird the Bird. Bird the Bird flaps its wings up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and then gets ready to jump down to Cat the Cat. He flaps his wings up and jumps. And then Cat the Cat and Bird the Bird walk together to look for more friends. Cat the Cat comes upon a pond. He looks around to see if any of his friends are there. He looks up. He looks down. He looks this way and he looks that way. Then he dips his paws into the pond and sees somebody on a lily pad. The lily pad says, "Cat the cat, who is that?" The animal on the lily pad sits like this and sticks out its tongue and catches a fly. Do you know what kind of animal this is? Yes, it's Frog the Frog. Hi, Frog the Frog. Frog the Frog jumps from lily pad to lily pad to get to Cat the cat and Bird the bird. From lily pad to lily pad. And then Cat the cat, Bird the bird, and Frog the frog walk to look for more friends. Until Cat the cat comes upon a flower. He looks to see if anybody is around. He looks up. He looks down. He looks this way and he looks that way. He leans forward to smell the flower. And then he sees somebody flying towards the flower. The flower says, "Cat the cat, who is that?" The animal flies with tiny wings and says, "Bzzz." Do you know what kind of animal this is? Yes, it's Bee the bee. Hi, Bee the bee. Bee the bee flies from flower to flower, saying bzzz, until he meets Cat the cat and his friends. Bzzz. And so Cat the cat, Bird the bird, Frog the frog, and Bee the bee all walk home together to have birthday cake. On the way, Cat the cat comes upon a dark jungle. All his friends are with him, but he still looks around to see if anybody's there. He looks up. He looks down. He looks this way and he looks that way. He sees somebody on the jungle floor, so he gets down onto his belly for a better look. He looks up. He looks down. He looks this way and he looks that way. The jungle says, "Cat the cat, who is that?" And Cat the cat says, "I have no idea, but maybe it's a new friend." The animal lifts its head and says, "Sss." Do you know what kind of animal this is? Yes, it's Snake the snake. Hi, Snake the snake. Snake the snake slithers and slides and rolls to get to Cat the cat and his friends. He rolls this way and that way and this way and that way. Cat the cat and his friends are so happy. They get up and dance. Yay! A new friend! Blargy, blargy! Yay! And all walk home for birthday cake together. Cat the cat lights the candles on his cake. Chick, 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 chick. Takes a deep breath in up to his ears and blows the candles out. And everybody has cake. That night, after all his friends went home, Cat the cat lay down in bed and put one hand on his belly and one hand on his heart and closed his eyes. His belly was full of cake and his heart was full of love because he'd celebrated with his friends. Can you feel your heart beat? And Cat the cat fell asleep with a smile on his face. Now roll over onto your side and then push yourself up till you're sitting with your legs crossed. And we'll say the yoga word that means our fun yoga story is over for today. That word is Om. Ready? Om. Thanks for sharing the fun yoga story with me today. See you next time.